The silent thinker. I am is a vain thought. I am not is a vain thought. I shall be is a vain thought. I shall not be is a vain thought. Vain thoughts are a sickness, an ulcer, a thorn, but after overcoming all vain thoughts, one is called silent thinker. And the thinker, the silent one, does no more arise, no more pass away, no more tremble, no more desire, for there is nothing in him that he should arise again. And as he rises no more, how should he grow old again? And as he grows no more old, how should he die again? And as he dies no more, how should he tremble? And as he trembles no more, how should he have desire? Because, of course, everything's beyond your desire. And if you limit yourself by your desire, maybe it limits what you accomplish too.